The Air India Express flight number AXB 1344 on its way from Dubai to Kozhikode with 191 people on board crashed on the runway, killing 18 people including the two pilots and leaving 150 injured. Now, how did the Boeing 737 aircraft actually crash landed? As per these sources, because of the heavy rainfall and bad weather conditions, the aircraft was not able to land properly and thus it skidded off the runway and fell into a ditch which was 45 feet deep, and it broke into two parts, and the front part is reported to have suffered the most. The survivors praised the pilot and said it was because of his presence of mind that the aircraft did not catch fire and they were saved from any further casualties. The pilot, Captain Deepak Vasant Sathe, was a former wing commander of the Indian Air Force and had also been an alumnus of the 58th course of the National Defence Academy. He was even awarded with the Sword of Honor at the Air Force Academy. Thus, it is very difficult to land over the tabletop runway. Rescue operations started at the night itself. Fire tenders and ambulances rushed to the spot, and even rescue planes were flown off earlier today. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri announced an interim relief package of Rs 10 lakh to the kin of each of the deceased, Rs 2 lakh to those who were severely injured, and Rs 50,000 to those with minor injuries. Now, out of the 19 people who were dead, one was tested COVID positive, and thus Kerala Health Department has urged all the passengers and those who assisted the rescue operation to get checked for COVID-19 and go into quarantine to stop the spread of the virus.